Hello everyone, this is Pratap from Topper IAS. Welcome to UPSC PYQs and current affairs analysis. In this session, we'll discuss one of the important themes of UPSC in mapping. So observe these questions first. There is a question on important seas and bordering countries: Adriatic Sea, Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, and Red Sea. Look at this option again: Aral Sea, Black Sea, and Lake Baikal. There is a question on Mediterranean Sea and the bordering countries. Again, there is a question on Congo Basin. Again, there is one more question on Mediterranean Sea and the bordering countries. Again, look at these options: Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Dead Sea, Gulf of Aguba, and Gulf of Suez. Again, look at these options: Black Sea, Baltic Sea, then Mediterranean Sea, North Sea is there. Again, see in the similar pattern, there is one match the following question on the same pattern. There is a sea and the bordering countries. There is one more question on the Caspian Sea. Looking at these questions, we can conclude that one of the important themes of UPSC in geography mapping is important water bodies which are in news. So this plays a very crucial role in mapping. So what we have to do is we have to prepare on the important water bodies and the bordering countries. So this is one theme which you have to prepare. For examples, it could be Gulf of Mexico, or Caribbean Sea also, which is in news in recent times. Then Black Sea because of Russia-Ukraine war. So then you have to work on the Persian Gulf also. It will be always in news because of various reasons. Then Red Sea, because all of you know, because of the Israel and Hamas issue, Red Sea is always in news. Then South China Sea, because of China's assertion. So North Sea also, North Sea, then Caspian Sea. So you have to work on all these important water bodies and the bordering countries. So this becomes a very of the important themes. Okay, to remember in an easy way, there are some short tricks also. For example, if you want to talk about the countries which are surrounding the Caspian Sea, for Caspian Sea, for Caspian Sea, the important mnemonic what we have is Tariq. Okay, T for Turkmenistan, A for Azerbaijan, Russia, then Iran and Kazakhstan. Similarly, for Black Sea, it is T and Burger. It is T and Burger. For example, T for Turkey, B for Bulgaria, U for Ukraine, R for Russia, G for Georgia, R for Romania. So these are the important themes. So work on the important water bodies which are in news and the surrounding countries. For such inputs, join our Prelims 2026 Challenge Series, where we will discuss and we will integrate these themes in our UPSC Prelims test series, and contact the number given. Thank you. We'll meet in next session.